Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to do a quick introduction to the channel video on the 40-watt soldering iron from Ryobi, the 18-volt 1 Plus platform, which is the P as in Paul 3105. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is just going to be a quick introduction to the channel video about the Ryobi 40-watt soldering iron. This is part number US 1003-185-131. Mexico number is 139-047, and the model number is Paul 3105. There is not much about this. There's not much information on it. Up to 900 degrees. Iron holder for safe and convenient storage. LED light indicator lets you know when the tip is hot. 3-foot reach for the cord. It only comes with a fine point tip. It does not come with a chisel tip, which, you know, we can get that on the other one that I have sitting right there. And 18 volt platform, 0.8 pound. It's not very heavy. That's without a battery is what it's saying. The weights and measurements video, you guys will see that this video we're recording right now before the weights and measurements and unboxing information. I totally screwed up on the unboxing video in a sense that when I was preparing everything to put on the cart to do the video, I forgot to grab wire, some scrap wire so we can test it. I'll end up testing it in a separate video, or you guys will see it in use on a different video, so that's not too bad of a big deal. I would have preferred to put it, heating it up and everything in the same video, but it is what it is. I didn't heat it up. I didn't turn it on, heat it up, or anything like that. I don't necessarily need it at right this moment. I bought it for future uses. But, who knows, maybe down the road I will redo the video and we'll just demonstrate it. Maybe I'll, instead of doing a demonstration where I turn it on, heat it up, and I use it on something in the unboxing video, which I didn't do in that video, maybe I will do a separate video where there's no unboxing involved. I'm just using it. To demonstrate it. Maybe that's another way I could go. And it makes more sense to me that I just make another video and do a demonstration video alone by itself, separate from an unboxing or specs or information. There's lots of channels that have done demonstrations with the unboxing and everything else, but it's just a quick video. This is just an introduction to the channel. You have your operator's manual. For this, it does come with a little tiny amount of solder. This looks like lead-free rosin core solder to me. Yeah, it's very soft. It's definitely rosin core. Will not take very much heat to heat this up. It will melt pretty fast. It's pretty soft. It's always nice that you get a little bit of solder. I got tons of solder. You get your little 40 volt and 18 volt booklet that if you fold this open, it's got 18 volt tools on this side, 175. These pamphlets are old. It's 175 1 Plus tools. I think they're at like 250 or something now. And that's it. Everything is pre-assembled. It comes with cardboard on here. If you want to change these tips, you can unthread this piece right here. Take off this sleeve and then slide the tip off. These look like standard tips to me. Look like the same tips that the Milwaukee has as well. Let me grab that. Here's the Milwaukee I have sitting here. This is one that stands up, which I have used quite a bit. Yeah, looks like kind of the exact same unit. We'll just slide on this one. Yep. So it's exactly like the Milwaukee, so you can use the tips off your Milwaukee, or you can use the tips off the bigger Ryobi. I can't get this tip out right now because I have solder stuck to it. I didn't clean very well the last time, which is okay. I'll clean this chisel tip later. Let me see if I can bring the light in though. There you go. There's the little booger right there. It's definitely been well used for the Milwaukee. I use it all the time. This one, the stem is also discolored compared to this one. On the Ryobi, it looks like the stem is a little longer though. Yeah, it's a little bit longer. But not a big deal. So if you want to put this back together, and so it's just the standard tips. You can get Weller tips if you need. It's probably the exact same threaded cone as well, but it's a nice little unit. We'll definitely do some videos on it in down the road. I will give you guys I will also probably do like updates, you know, like 2 years, 1 year, half year, whatever, updates on how well it's doing, if it's holding up well or not. I've got lots and lots of soldering irons. I have this Schneider from Harbor Freight one. I like this one. I use this one as an air gun and a blowgun a lot. I've got a Weller right here with a small chisel tip on it. This one plugs into the wall. I've got a lot of soldering irons. This one right here is an old Jensen. This blue one is an old Jensen. This black one is a Chicago Electric. I got lots of irons. I use irons quite a bit for lots of things. And if you guys didn't know, this orange toolbox is my electrical cart. So I got calipers, diagnostic tools, some more calipers, irons, a timing tool. I got scan tools and stuff in the bottom drawer. I've got in the lid. I got heat shrink, electrical connectors, all kinds of stuff. This is my diagnostic and electrical drawer. But this guy back in there. So just a quick video, just an introduction to the channel video, letting you guys know that this is going to be coming to the channel soon. You guys will see the introduction as soon as I get it done and edited real soon. Probably July 1st because it's June 30th, somewhere in there. But the unboxing and everything will be probably December sometime. So I'm very backed up on videos. I do them in the order that I record them. So if I record this on this day, then if I've got 5 months of videos already scheduled on YouTube, well, this will go to the next scheduled date. So I think the next scheduled date is like November 30th or 29th, something like that. And then the next video I record will be after this one on the scheduled date. I hope you guys understand. I've got lots of videos coming out for you guys, lots of content. And it's just easier for me to schedule them. I understand it's not like right this minute, and I wish it was, but if I released a video, if I recorded videos as much as I do, and I released the videos the same day I recorded them, you guys would have like 40 videos a day to watch, because I record 15, 20 videos a day, sometimes 30 in one day. Sometimes it's less, sometimes it's 30 videos in a week. Sometimes it's less than that. But I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. There really isn't much to talk about on this tool. There's not a lot of specs to go over. It's not like it's a hammer drill or anything like that. But as always, like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Appreciate you guys stopping by. I want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, the people that watch, the people that like, dislike, the people that watch the ads on the videos every once in a while, and the people that use the affiliate links. You guys are the reason that the channel is monetized and is making money. So we're going to be doing lots of head-to-heads coming up. You know, drill driver versus drill driver, 12 volt versus 18 volt versus 36 volt versus 40 volt, so on and so forth. You know, hammer drill versus hammer drill, impact driver versus impact driver, recips, you know, versus recips, and one-handed versus full size, all that you can think of. I got Makita sitting right here on the cart as well. If any of those things interest you guys, I have every voltage of DeWalt. I've got 18 and 12 volt of Milwaukee brushed and brushless. I have every voltage of Metabo HPT Hitachi power tools. I have every voltage of Metabo tools. I've got 18 volt for the Bosch core line. Got 18 volt Bosch sticks. We have a bunch of corded tools. We've got a bunch of pneumatic tools that we could do testing on. If that interests you guys, smush the bell notification icon. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day. Thank you guys for watching. Peace!